This October had the worst wildfires in California history, and they came hand in hand with some of the strongest winds ever recorded during a fire. So we wanted to know, could an accurate prediction of strong winds help us prevent such widespread damage from wildfires? CBS 13 meteorologist Lisa Meadows is in the newsroom with an answer that might surprise you.
We have Futurecast forecast models. They predict how strong the winds are going to be in the next 24 or 48 hours, and these are critical when it comes to fire weather conditions, something that is critical with these Northern California wildfires.
At least at a number of the locations I looked at, the winds were unprecedented.
Dry grasses are fuel for wildfire disasters, but strong winds are the catalyst.
They were gusting from 60 to 80 miles per hour in the higher elevations. National
Weather Service meteorologists recorded hurricane-force winds fanning the flames for thousands of acres.
When you get a north wind event like this, it's hot, dry air, so the air is very dry, so the relative humidity is very low. So it's very dry, so fires can spread really rapidly.
Knowing critical fire weather conditions prepares the firefighters for the firefight. So how well did forecast models predict this windstorm? University of Washington atmospheric science professor Dr. Mass says this event was well predicted.
Did actually a very good job. They gave a heads up there'd be a strong wind event 3 or 4 days before.
Forecast models can predict certain weather patterns that will funnel strong winds through the valley.
We've got to use this information to save people's lives and property.
We still don't have an official cause of these recent wildfires, but fires in the past have been attributed to downed power lines.
The potential to shut the power off before the winds really crank up, and that might have prevented, a lot of problems.
We reached out to PG&E, and the company says it's an idea. Widespread de-energizing would introduce additional safety risks that would have to be carefully considered, communicated, and addressed across many agencies. But maybe not a feasible one. Proactively taking down parts of the electric grid is highly complex due to safety issues, having effects on first responders and critical facilities like hospitals, schools, and communication systems.
The best thing to do if you are underneath a critical fire weather warning, make sure you stay vigilant and be prepared to evacuate in just a moment's notice.
All right, interesting report. Lisa Meadows, thank you for that.